Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. My name is Kseny and today I wanted to share with you one Qigong exercise that I've been doing almost on a daily basis. This one exercise helps to stretch every meridian in the body. It works the front and the back of the body. It's very good for strengthening the lower back and improving overall health and vitality. I like to call it a Qigong Sun Salutation. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Stand up nice and tall and relax your whole body. Keep your hips relaxed, unlock your knees, and become aware of the position of your feet. They firmly planted on the ground. I'm going to show you the movement first, and then we're going to slow it down and do it together. So you're going to open the hands, palms touching at the top. At this stage, I want you to feel the stretch coming all the way up to your fingertips. Using your toes for balance, shifting the weight slightly forward onto your toes. Reach nice and high. Then release gently, distributing the weight evenly, relaxing your lower back. You're drawing the hands down to a prayer position. Following the hands, lean forward. And here, you want to keep your back fairly straight, including your neck. So keep the entire structure nice and elongated. Your shoulders relaxed and your back is nice and straight. Then bend your knees and go all the way down. Keeping your back nice and flat. Then we stand up and relax the hands to the side. Let's try one more time, drawing a good circle around the torso, palms touch, open up. You should feel two straight lines coming down the front of your body. Then draw your hands down as you soften, go forward and stretch through the entire back. Go down using the strength of your legs. And pushing off the ground, raise up as if someone's pulling you by the crown of the head. The power is from the bottom up. Okay? Very good. Let's try 6 times. We're going to add some breathing to help us along. We inhale as the hands go up. We exhale as we bend forward. Keeping your knees nice and straight. We inhale as we go down. We exhale as we raise up. We inhale. We exhale. We inhale. We exhale. Don't rush. Make sure you can breathe steadily. You can breathe relaxed. You're enjoying yourself. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Begin to connect your mind to your body through your breath. Exhale. Letting everything go. Releasing through the back of the neck. Inhale. Finding strength and power through your legs. Exhale. Push up and relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. All the way from the bottom, relax. 2 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. I'm going to show you the side view for the last one. Breathe in, opening the front of the body. Breathe out, forward bend. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep your feet parallel, relax your hips, unlock your knees, relax your lower back, open your belly, allow some space between your hands and the body, and just take a moment to notice what changed. Feel the energy circulating a little bit better. Feel the warmth and space spreading throughout your body. Very good. I hope you feel good. You can finish at that, bringing your hands together and taking a moment to concentrate on yourself, the area inside your abdomen, allowing your breath to slow down and relax. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you'd like to practice longer routines or join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site. You can find more information on ksenygray.com. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.